on guys, it's me Lindsay with LindsayMoore.com, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you the best way to make money online in 2019. Now before we get into the content, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also hit that notification bell so that way you get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. Now what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is the best way to make money online in 2019, but also 2 ways that you can actually make this work. How to actually find the skills and how to learn some skills if you don't have any already. And then also make sure you stay until the end because I have something free, a free gift that I want to give you. So let's go ahead and dive into the content.
Okay, so with this strategy, it doesn't require you to, recruit anybody or anything like that. You're basically just going to be selling your skills pretty much, guys, right? So if you guys haven't heard already, haven't heard about freelancing, that's exactly what freelancing is, right? You can just do like some little freelancing work and you can start to earn income. Now, what I would tell you to do is with that income, you can definitely make it into a full-time income. There are people out there who are making 5 figures per month with freelancing by itself, or you could take that extra income and invest it into another business model like e-commerce or something like that. And that way you can start to earn more money every single day or whatever else. Now, with freelancing, there are a few sites that you can use. One of the most popular ones is Upwork. And guys, if you see me looking around, I have notes and I want to make sure that I'm covering everything. So you can come over here to Upwork and you can also come over here to Fiverr.com. And I'll put links to both of these below this video in the description. Now with both of these sites, you can sell your skills. So it doesn't require that you have to have, you have to be like a super duper, graphic designer or anything like that. If you are, that's great, right? But even if you have customer service experience, support, answering support tickets. Also, when you go to like e-commerce stores or whatever else, they have like a live chat agent or whatever else. They you can actually apply to not apply, but you could post a job to do those type of jobs, and that way you can start to earn some income, right? So there's a variety of things. Just think about the skills that you know how to do. And if you don't know how to generate any skills, if you don't know what your skills are, what you want to do is you want to make a list of all your past jobs and think about every single task that you did at those past jobs. Because I promise you, if you come over here to Upwork or Fiverr, you'll be able to find somebody who is doing almost a similar thing that you have done, and that way you can actually post a job, right? So before you just dismiss this totally because you think that you don't have any skills, trust me, you do. A lot of the things that we just take for granted or we just think is second nature to us is maybe very valuable to the next person, okay? So that's something that you want to do. Now, if you don't want to go this route with, sign up for Upwork or Fiverr, or you can use this in addition to these 2 sites, what you can also do is go onto Facebook and actually join groups like business groups, entrepreneur groups, e-commerce groups or something like that, and actually share or make a post about your skills for hire, right? So inside of like e-commerce groups or something like that, if you know how to create a Shopify store or something like that, and you don't have to know how to get sales with it, but if you know how to design a really decent Shopify store, you could post that in one of these e-commerce groups and have people to actually pay you to create their stores for them. Some people don't want to go through the hassle. Sometimes people are busy. There are other people inside that group who have multiple stores and they just don't like that initial part of it because it's so redundant. Well, that's where you can come in and actually provide those skills. Also, if you know any type of graphics, you know how to create video ads or anything like that, you can also post those services inside of in those groups. Now, you want to be mindful of the groups that you do this in because some of them are just really, like the work from home groups and things like that. A lot of those type of groups, people are just posting about their business and how you can sign up and all this type of stuff like that. So you want to find really quality Facebook groups, and one that's a really popular one that I've been a part of for quite some time is called the Freedom Hackers group. Now, inside of this group is very well maintained. It's a lot of a variety of entrepreneurs in here. Really highly successful entrepreneurs, even the ones who are just getting their start. And when you join this group, you can actually make a post in here that you are offering your services. You can also scroll down a newsfeed and people are actually in here saying that they're looking for someone to do this type of work or whatever else. So you could do customer service work. You could be a VA assistant. There's quite a few things on here. So you can definitely want to make sure you join this group. And then also she has it, categorized as well. So if you look in here, popular topics and posts. So you can see it's job and work opportunities. So if you click on this, you can see like some people have already making some posts in here about, some job opportunities or whatever, right? So you want to find groups similar to this that are high in quality. They have, really quality people inside of the group who have actual businesses and things like that. And you can actually start posting your jobs in here, not your jobs, but your skills in here for hire or whatever else. And then you just want to connect with those people, and you all come to an agreement on how you will get paid and et cetera, okay? But just make sure it's a quality Facebook group when you do that. Now, if you're watching this right now and you may be thinking like, well, I don't have any skills, okay? Even if you just did what I just told you guys and you want to make sure that you make a list of, your past jobs and things like that, what you can also do is you can learn some skills, right? If you're watching this on YouTube, that means you're already halfway there. So what you can do is, for like graphic skills, for example, right? Most of these graphic sites, they have free trials, right? So if you come over here to Adobe Photoshop, you can have a free trial here. Also Final Cut Pro, they also offer a free trial, like a 30-day trial here. And what you do is you get the free trials here. Then the next thing you want to do is come over to YouTube and learn how to use these graphic sites, right, during your free trial. So now it's not costing you any money. So right here you have Final Cut Pro and things like that. And you can watch these hour-long trainings and you can learn how to become an expert with Final Cut Pro. And what I mean by expert, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to have 20 years of experience with it. If you just know just a little bit more than the next person, you are considered an expert, right? So you can come over here and you can learn how to create logos. You know how to learn how to edit videos and things like that, how to create video ads for Shopify, for e-commerce people or whatever else. You can learn all that stuff here. So make use of the time while you're on YouTube, actually learn something, learn some skills, so that way you can actually flip those skills and earn money. You can also come over here, watch tutorials on how to create Shopify stores, and you can also sell Shopify stores as well. You can do that as well. And you can learn all of that on YouTube. So that's how you can get some skills if you feel that you don't have any skills already. And again, go back to these Facebook groups, go to Fiverr, go to Upwork, post your skills for hire, and you can start earning some income. Now, something else that you can also try is FlixPress. Now, with FlixPress is a way that you can actually just create videos online, okay? So once you come over here and create an account, you see they already have videos here, and all you have to do is just, sorry about that. All you have to do is just make some minor edits, and then you can offer these for sale as well. So the templates are already here. You don't have to learn anything else. All you have to do is just get access to this site, make a few adjustments, and sell these videos, like video intros or whatever else, to people who are looking for this as well. And that's how you can start making money with freelancing, okay? Now, this is something that I used to do also in the beginning when I first started with online marketing, because I thought like the skills that I was learning, I was taking them for granted. But you can actually charge for those skills. So if you know how to make capture pages, if you know how to set up email autoresponders, if you know how to do any of that type of stuff, you can sell those skills and earn extra income, right? So make sure you just do that. Write down all the skills that you have, and like I said, go ahead and start selling them. So that way you don't have to join any companies to make money. You don't have to recruit anybody to make money. All of this would be on your own, based on your own knowledge, based on the skills that you acquire. And then also you can set your own time and sometimes your own rates as well for your services, okay? Because people are actually searching for you and you're not the other way around, okay? Now, what I want to share with you all is also underneath this video, if you want to get more information about freelancing and how to have real success with this, underneath this video in the description below, I'm going to put a link to an actual, it's like a low-cost product. And in this info course, he's going to teach you how he was like a college dropout, and he's able to earn about $20,000 per month, maybe even more, simply with freelancing. Just what I shared with you all in this video, guys, okay? So that's the first thing. Second thing, also below this video in the description below, if you just want to know more about how to create money online and things like that as well, and it's the same way that I have actually created income online, I'm going to give you access to a free video series. It's a 4-part video series, and it's going to share with you how you can make $100 to $300 per day online. Okay, and that free access to that free video series is going to be below. All you need to do is you need to click on that link. It's going to ask for your best email address, and make sure you include your best email address, because I will also be sending you via email a $97 course for free. It's one of my courses. It's one of my top courses, and you'll be getting that for free, right? But the only way you can get access to that is if you enter your best email, so that way you can get access to it, guys, okay? So hopefully you found this video helpful, guys. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave those below. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell, so that way you get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. And to the next video, guys. Peace.